Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. We smashed take profit. Bang, bang, bang. Take profits smashed today on the eval. But I have to be honest, today was absolutely terrible trading for me. But it's only because it's an evaluation account. I do not want to stay on the eval for any longer than like a week, 2 weeks max if like the market is terrible. But like, yeah, I'm not staying. So pretty much this is the trade I took. The account actually, my bad, my recording was messed up on the first trade that I took on this account. But as you can see today, I made $1,189 sorry, $1,189 on the account, and this is the second take profit on the account. So that means we are up $2,247, and we only need like around 750, 753 to pass the account. So hopefully tomorrow is Friday. Tomorrow is Friday, so hopefully we can pass the account. Let me just make sure you see everything. Yes, you can. All right. So let me just show you the dashboard. Like, quick disclaimer, I did not trade well today. You should not be trading the way I trade today. Like, for me, I don't care about blowing an eval. Like, for me, if I don't pass it, and like, the minimum for a Tradify Select evaluation is 3 days because there's 40% consistency rule. Um, so unfortunately, you cannot 1 day pass it. So you got to do it like 1,000, 1,000, 1,000, or like whatever you want. But as long as you're under the 40% consistency rule. So I did not trade well today. Like, pretty much, I do not trade properly to pass these accounts. I take good trades, but I'm like you can say I'm over trading or event trading, which is kind of true. But this is evaluation, and I do want to get this evaluation passed as soon as possible because at the end of the day, you're not making money on eval. So as you can see, yesterday on Wednesday, I made $1,058, and today I made $1,189. But I do have 8 trades over here today compared to 1 trade yesterday. Yesterday was like I traded really well yesterday. I was pretty much done. Like, I showed it market open. So I pretty much like was done after 2 minutes. Fortunately, it was not recorded. And today I hit a 1,189 take profit. Which pretty much, if I show you my executions, you're gonna, yeah, it's just not necessary to show you my executions for today because it's not proper trading. But this was the trade pretty much that, let's just say I was down $800 today, and then obviously I smashed this pretty much top tick over here. Over like, so I just put a limit order on this hourly rejection block on the 50%, and we tapped it perfectly. Not a second of drawdown, maybe like a tiny, 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 like 1 second of drawdown, maybe barely. And we just like started going lower, and the target was this unfilled 5 minute. Let me just find it right over here. So you see this 5 minute over here, right? This was the target. And yeah, pretty much 1 to 4 R, 1 to 4.3 R actually, which ended up netting me. So I was down $300. I mean $800, but then I smashed this take profit for like $2,000. I took this with 2 minis. Obviously, this is an evaluation. Okay, I'm being super aggressive on evals. Again, I will always keep saying this. If you are a beginner trader and you're just learning how to trade and you've never passed an eval, you've never gotten a payout before, absolutely take your time on the evaluation, trade properly, take good setups, risk properly, risk management. Do not revenge trade, do not overtrade. Like, actually lock in. But if you know what you're doing, you know how to trade, you've gotten a few payouts before, if maybe you've passed a few evaluations before, I do not think you need to be spending time on evaluation, because at the end of the day, we're here in this business to make money. If you're in evaluation, you're not making money, right? So at the end of the day, is like, stop being pussy, like stop being a pussy. Like, no one cares. Valuation, 100. Okay, unless you're completely broke, right? Then take, be chill. Don't blow all your money on fucking evals. But like, you know what I mean? Just be like, have a job, make money, take that money from the job, put it in the valuation accounts. If you know how to trade, you've passed evals, you got payouts before, absolutely fucking be aggressive. Take 1 mini, 2 minis, pass those evals like as fast as you can. Obviously, don't be stupid, don't be a degenerate, don't fucking gamble. But yeah. So we're up $2,247 on the eval. Yeah, this was pretty much the trade I took. So I don't want to like get too much into the like bias and stuff because market is absolutely terrible right now. But pretty much there's a beautiful short and market open, pretty much tapping into this hourly gap, right? Over here, 930 was right over here. Yeah. So we tap this 1 hour gap, then we get this 1 minute version over here, probably get stop rated. Unless, oh no, that was before market open. Sorry, market opened right over here, manipulates higher, and then we get that 1 minute inversion. You should absolutely be taking that. That's such an A plus trade all the way down to the sell side right over here. Let me show you the sell side. It's right over here. Beautiful, beautiful short. But me personally, I missed it. I kind of like I wasn't really focused. So that was my bad. I should have taken it. But then, just being patient, pretty much what you should have been doing is being patient all over this price action, potentially take some longs, but I really didn't want to take longs. Like I wanted to keep taking shorts. So I was waiting, and then I saw this 1 hour rejection block. We reacted a little bit. 5 minute unfilled gap is a target. Sweep of this internal high right over here. All right, which is an extra confluence, and then just a limit order on the 50%. Perfect entry, top ticked, 50 points. Obviously, because it's an evaluation with consistency rule, I could not like take it any further than that. So 1 to 2, like pretty much, you can be making more than $1,000 per trade. That's like the limit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. We are up 2,247. We need $753 to pass the evaluation. And yeah, I don't want to get too deep into this, but that's pretty much the trading day for today. And then yesterday, I took like I don't even remember what I took yesterday. Let me see over here. Oh, obviously, oh yeah, I took a short. What do you mean? I took a short in market open. Let me try and find it, but Wednesday. Oh, there you go. It's right here. Yeah, 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 yeah. There you go. Let me reply that shit right over here. That was a 30-second inversion. Let me move fast forward. No, that was the next one. I took the next one. Yeah, not yet, not yet, not yet. And then I think, yeah, I took it. Maybe I took a 15-second. I think I took a 15-second, or maybe like I took somewhere over here. I just took this shit, shorted, 2 minis, 12.5 stop, like $500 risk, and then a TP of 1 to 2, 25 points, all the way to this low, and smash TP, and like I was done. Like 9:31, I was done. So that was the trade yesterday. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Two take profits, smash day after day. Obviously, I'm like, I'm playing it super, super aggressive. This is not how you should be trading like normally. Obviously, I will not be trading like this in the actual like live account. I will be waiting for proper A plus setups and trading like you should be trading. I'm not gonna be a fucking degenerate, but this is an evaluation account, and we want to pass it as fast as possible, pretty much, without blowing, gambling and, being a stupid degenerate. But overall, yeah, we do want to pass it like as soon as possible, as fast as possible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace.